So hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm not so happy making this video, and the reason is because today is 24th of January, and as I was just scrolling through my mail, I realized that Tony Elumelu Foundation had sent me a message yesterday. And the content of the message was quite urgent because they said I should make that adjustment immediately. And this is me getting to see the mail over 24 hours later. So as I am now, I don't know my fate. Okay, it's the seed capital disbursement phase. The seed capital disbursement phase. I've been shouting that I won 5,000 US dollars, but actually, it has not been, my account has not been credited. So all the while, they've been doing some verifications upon verifications and verifications. So they sent me a mail stating that due diligence, we were asked to fill a due diligence form and to upload certain documents, including our CAC registration certificate, undertaking that must have been notarized by a legal practitioner, then what again, UBA, letter of acceptance or confirmation of accounts, and also tax registration documents and all that. So I thought I'd done that because there was a time limit for it. And when I saw that mail, the content says that I uploaded wrong documents. Two of those documents were incorrect. One, instead of uploading my certificate, I went ahead to upload my business plan. And secondly, I uploaded the undertaking, there are 2 pages, and my lawyer actually notarized just 1 page. But the document I thought I uploaded was the one that contained the 2 pages in one, that contains the one that is notarized and the one that is not notarized. But unfortunately, I just realized that I uploaded the one that was not notarized and just 1 page. So you could imagine. So I was asked to quickly go and make that correction immediately. The mail stated immediately. And this is me just getting to know over 24 hours later. Although I've gone to make the correction, but then I realized that the portal is not updating, even though it said that my new documents have been successfully submitted. I realized that it's still not updating it on the platform. I'm still seeing the old documents on the platform. So I don't know if they would have seen the new documents at their hand there. Meanwhile, they stated on that platform, on the pitching platform, that that part of due diligence documentation is very mandatory, and that if there's any error on the side of the applicant, that it will lead to automatic disqualification. So you get where my mood is coming from. I'm not happy. I must be sincere with you. I am very, very sad. So now what I did was just to send the person that sent me a mail. I replied the mail stating that I tried to upload, to edit my documents, but then it was still showing me the old ones. So I just sent an attached document of those 2 documents, the correct version. So I just attached those to the mail. And with the hope that he's going to read it because he's a guy, with the hope that he's going to read it and acknowledge it. Oh, so guys, if you actually were shortlisted for the 2022 Tony Elumelu Foundation funding of $5,000 and you have been hopeful because the thing don't hurry, like it's been over a year now. So some of us have even stopped checking our mails. Some of us we've even concluded that okay, if you see alert, good. If you don't see alert, all well and good, all na vibes and inshallah. So when I now saw that mail yesterday, I said, let me come and tell you people, in case you haven't checked your mail in a while and you have been shortlisted for the seed capital, please do well to go and check your mail out. You might just be someone like me, maybe you have made a mistake because you were rushing to submit due to the deadline. So go and check your mail. Maybe there's something for you there. And if you have been verified, I congratulate you because they stated that we're going to be receiving the seed capital from this week. So all the best to people that have already received the alert, and those of you that have not received, I still wish you all the best. Guys, please wish me all the best because as I am now, I don't even know where I stand. I don't know if they are going to be compassionate, bearing in mind that nobody is perfect. Even they, the team, Tony Elumelu Foundation team, they make mistakes too. I don't know how I would have made such an expensive mistake, but it is what it is. So guys, remember me in your prayers because this money, I was hoping that by the time they give us the money, I will do it giveaway on this channel. Otherwise, guys, give away. So if you're here to subscribe to this channel, at least also continues. If that one does not work out, this also here must work out. It has to work out. So please subscribe to this channel, like and share and turn on notifications. I'll see you in my next video.